Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Common Cause. Chapter 6. United We Stand. Get connected. Self-awareness. Have you ever participated in a Goodwill March? Volunteered to run for a cause? Or maybe helped a larger cause by doing something small at your end? If yes, that means you gave help with a common cause. A number of people who come together and work for the benefit of a community or a city or all humanity is called common cause. Knowledge acquisition. Amisha and her friends were very excited. A new mall was coming up in their locality. What fun! Shops and a gaming arcade as well, plus places to eat. They were sure to have a lot of fun. Every day, a new pamphlet was delivered with their newspaper about which shop was going to open. The advertisements, the lovely menus were so tempting just to look at. Amisha and her friends met at the local park every day to discuss them. Did you see that the new pizza parlor will open when the mall comes up? Hina asked them. Yes, and what about that designer clothes store? Said Anna, the clothes horse of the group. She loved to dress up and would go to any lengths to remake the outfits she saw on TV. And imagine the gaming arcade. Won't we have fun? We shall have so many games to play. When it's raining, we won't have to stay indoors or exchange books, but we can go to the arcade, Ekta said. That's right. The girls were very excited. Amisha's brother Parth and his friends were looking forward as well. All the latest electronic showrooms, all the latest car models. Did you hear that the games arcade will have a dashing cars game? 15 people can go in together, my elder brother told me so, Sohail said to the boys group. Are you serious? I had heard that there will be a small roller coaster as well, Parth said. Yes, this mall sounds like it will be a lot of fun. I can't wait for it to come up, Ryan sounded so upbeat. A few days later, while at school Amisha saw their helper silently wipe her face with her sari pallu. Falguni Didi, what happened? Amisha asked her. Nothing beta, you go on, recess will be over soon, Falguni Didi said to her. While in class, Amisha couldn't stop thinking about Falguni Didi. She's always been so and such a bright Didi. She plays and jokes with us. But the past few days, she's been quite low. I wonder what is wrong. In the evening at the park, Amisha shared her concerns with her friends. Did you see Falguni Didi today, Hina? Didn't she look sad? Amisha voiced her concerns. Yes, and did you notice she hasn't been eating with us or even talking and joking around? She was never like this. Maybe there is a problem at home, Hina commented. Hey, our driver uncle has also been upset about something. I heard him ask my parents for leave. Falguni Didi and uncle are related, isn't it? Ahana said. Just then the boys walked towards the girls. Hello girls, what are you looking so serious about? Parth asked them. The girls told them about what they had noticed. Hey, now that you mention this, I realize even Abir hasn't been coming to play with us. He stays near Falguni Didi's house. Why don't we go there and see? Sohail suggested. They all walked over to the locality where their friends stayed. It was in one of the poorer sections of the town, but that had never changed things between them. Abir, Abir! Sohail shouted. Abir's brother rushed out from a small room. He is out there, he said, pointing towards the large ground. All the friends walked there. They noticed Falguni Didi and Abir there. Standing some distance away was Anna's driver uncle. A lot of other people were on that ground. What's happening here? They asked. Abir, Falguni Didi also walked over. The new mall is coming up here. The builders are proposing to raze away our colony to make the parking lot. He wants us to relocate 10 kilometers out of town. We cannot do that. All of us work here. Our children go to school here. We don't want to move away. Falguni Didi was in tears. There were many wet eyes in the gathering there. A lot of them looked dejected. My father is a lawyer, maybe he can help, Sohail said. A few people overheard him. Sohail gave them his address and they promised that 4 of them would visit his father that night. When the 4 representatives visited Sohail's father, Sohail has apprised him about the situation. He was ready. We can legally follow this through. The land belongs to the community. I have checked the records. By Monday, I will make up the proper legal papers. Then, we can approach the mall builders with the papers, he explained to them. They folded hands. Thank you, sir. We don't know how we can thank you for this, Falguni Didi said. We are not so well educated, sir, but we want our children to be educated. Had we been moved away, we would have lost access to jobs, schools and colleges. You have really given us our life back, one of them said. Everyone was happy. The children had stood up for a common cause and they felt proud to have been a part of it. A lot of lives were saved and enhanced by their involvement. They had really understood the meaning of common cause now.
Like, share and subscribe.